Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, dear colleagues, my name is Magdalena Czarnecka-Operacz, and this is my great honor and pleasure to invite you to the preparatory course in the field of dermato-allergology for the European Board Examination in dermato-venerology, which is going to take place this year on the 4th of October. The topics which will be covered are immunological reactions in skin diseases, diagnostic procedures for allergic skin diseases, urticaria, contact dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, and drug-related skin manifestations. The speakers are going to be as follows. Joanna Czuwara from Poland, Daiva Jasajciena from Lithuania, Anna Jimenez-Arnau from Spain, and me, myself. I would like once again to cordially invite you, wish you all the best, and good luck. See you in October.